Hi, I'm Chance Glenn. I'm the president of Morningbird Media Corporation, and today what we're going to describe to you is our new product, the Electronic Alchemy eForge. Now what the eForge is a 3D printer capable of creating functional electronics. This is my colleague, Dr. Wing Chan. We've been working together for a couple of years now, right, to make this a reality. Well, what we have here is a design of a simple pressure sensor, and it's made up of 3 different materials. You have a insulating material at the bottom, then you have a conducting or resistive type material here, and in the middle is the capacitive material. Now, the way we generally do this, we've assigned material types to colors in Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a well-known CAD program that we use as this drawing platform. And so green, this green is associated to the insulator. The yellow here is associated to the capacitive material, and this gray is associated to the resistive material. So in combination, this would be a pressure sensor, because if you apply pressure down on the top of this sensor, it's going to deform the material in the middle and therefore changing the capacitance, and that's something that you can see in the RC time constant, and that allows you to associate that to amount of pressure. So that's just an example of something that you can print. So then you would take this and export it as a OBJ file, and then you can translate that into G-code, which the G-code is what drives the 3D printer. And so these colors and these materials are then associated with these particular filaments. And right here is the resistive filament. This is the insulating material here, and that's the capacitive material here, and that would actually get printed here on our prototype printer. Now what this eForge does, it's a combination of several materials. Electronics is just that. You put different materials together, you'll get devices that do all kinds of things, from a cell phone to sensors to you name it. So we're able to print at least 6 different materials simultaneously, and we have a proprietary mixture of these filaments. We've worked hours and hours together to create these materials that together create electronics. Very exciting. We're hoping that NASA adopts this. NASA has been a very strong partner with us. They have supported this work from the very beginning. We've had several where we've had STTRs to develop this technology, and we're at the stage now that we have our 0.6 version of our prototype. And yes, we are preparing to provide this as a commercial product to people all around the world. We are developing a commercial version of this that will be available next year. But what this does, there are several materials that can be printed and put together to create a functional electronic device. This is exciting. I don't think anybody in the world is doing this. We hope NASA uses this on their missions, you know, in space, on new planets, on Earth, you name it. But this is the Electronic Alchemy eForge, and we are trying to enhance and encourage innovation by creating new things with electronics.